This is Dave Daly with KeizerTV. We're here today at the Salem Keizer Volcanoes baseball game. I have with me here Joey Bart. And Joey, on behalf of our community, just want to welcome you to Oregon, welcome you to the Volcanoes. What's your experience been so far?
I'm having a blast out here. I can't complain about anything going on in Salem. So far, it's treated me great, and I'm glad we could get out here, get some wins, and enjoy this nice weather, and just having a lot of fun.
Coming from Georgia Tech, a little less humidity?
Yeah, a lot less. It's a little different. Even though these last couple of days have been hot, but this is nice. Like I said, it feels great outside right now. It takes 75, 80 any day. So
yeah, it's fantastic. And what would you say to the young people today to get to the point in life that you've accomplished? What would you recommend that they do? With success comes a lot of hard work. So, I've been cut from teams before. I've been told I'm not good enough. Still to this day, and I would just use that as fuel. Fuel on the fire. Never stop working. Don't ever count yourself out, and make sure you're enjoying what you're doing. You got to have fun with what you're doing. Take it all in. That's what I could say. This game is meant to be fun, and a lot of kids have lost that, and it's sad to see them, stepping down from the game at an earlier age. You just got to have fun. You got to stay positive because you're going to fail all the time, and really just, like I said, have fun and play hard. Fantastic. And is there a mentor or a coach that helped you through some of those obstacles that you've attributed, or a role model in baseball?
Yeah, I've had a few. My coaches at Georgia Tech have helped me out. Danny Hall, Brian Prince, Mike Nickius, a guy that caught in the big leagues for a while named Michael Barrett with the Cubs a few years back. He helped me out a lot as well. But ultimately, it's got to come from within, and if you can find that balance and that competitive drive, and learning how to keep things fun and loose, and I feel like you'll have a lot more success playing that way.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for talking with us. Wish you the best of luck. You've done real well out here under a lot of change, so congratulations. And to your whole support system, what do you want to say to your family and support system?
Thank you so much. I miss you guys. We'll be back, but I'm enjoying my time here in Oregon, and like all I can say is thank you.
All right. Well, we're glad that you're here. You've been a great role model. Wish you the best success in your future. And for more great stories here in Keizer, visit KeizerTV.com. Thank you.